Hello everyone, this is Ram and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to unbox this Portronics Harmonics Twins Mini Earbuds. These are truly wireless earbuds from Portronics, and as you all know, Portronics is an Indian company. So if you are looking any non-Chinese alternatives, I think this is the one for you. But before we come to any conclusion, let's unbox this beautiful box and see what's contents inside the box and how the headphones perform compared to the wired headphones. Before we proceed, I have a small request for you all, that is to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and help me post some more interesting videos just for you. Now let's get started. So guys, this is how the package looks like, and on the right we can see some features. It says extra bass here. Let's see how that works. On this side we can see typical earbud specification, and it comes with a Bluetooth version 5.0 guys. Now let's open up the box and see the contents inside. So this is the earbuds charging case guys, and I must say it looks very premium with a rubberized finish. And on the front, as soon as we open the case, we can see LED indicators, and they indicate charging levels here. It looks like they are 100% charged. And on the back we can see there is a Type-C port here, which is a good thing. Let's see what else we have here. Here we have the earbuds themselves, and I must say that they look very good and feels very premium in hand, and they are made of plastic guys, but the finish is very excellent. And here we also have some accessories. Let's see what's inside the package. Here we have a Type-C cable here to charge the case, and we also get some extra silicone ear tips. We also get a user manual here containing some instructions about the TWS. Let's keep all these things aside. Okay, as you can see that as soon as I put those earbuds inside the case, they started charging. And one more good thing is that they have magnetic effect, so that they won't fall off from the case, as you can see. Now let's try pairing it with a mobile phone. So as you can see, as soon as I remove those earbuds from the case, it immediately is showing on the Bluetooth network on my mobile device, and I'll just tap it here, and they are now paired with the device. Let's check out the music quality of these earbuds, and I'll get back to you in a moment. The first thing is first guys, I have used these earbuds for several hours now, and I must say that I am impressed with these headphones. Talking about the bass, which is the most important thing for an Indian user, the bass is very good, and bass is there whenever you need it. It isn't overlapping other mid-tones and high tones. It is there, and it is not overlapping the mid-tones or high tones. Talking about the high tones, so they are very clear and they are very crystal clear, and the mid tones are also very good, and the instrument separation is also quite good. And talking about the sound clarity is very good, but one thing I noticed is that the sound clarity depends upon the device that you are using. I have two devices, one is a Samsung and one is an LG device, and on the LG device the sound clarity is very good compared to the sound clarity in Samsung. I have also paired this earbuds with laptop as well, and I checked it whether if it is working or not, and it surprised me that these earbuds are working with laptop as well. So you can use these earbuds with the laptop and mobiles as well. Now let's discuss about the pros and cons of this device. The first one is I'm impressed with this is that the finish quality of these earbuds and the case as well. It has a rubberized finish on top of it, and it has a Type-C USB port, and the finish quality of these earbuds are also very good, as you can see. And here you have a silicone button here over here, and it feels very premium in hand. The second pro is that it's a sound quality. The sound signature is very good, and it exceeded my expectations. If I talk about the cons, that I must say that I am not impressed with these ear tips over here. These only comes in 3 different sizes, and all those 3 sizes are not a good fit for me, and the sound clarity is also going away because these ear tips are not as good as I expected. When I changed the ear tips, the sound quality that I experienced is far exceeded my expectations. So I must say that company should focus on providing good quality ear tips with this device, so that users can experience better quality sound with this TWS. And the second thing that I noticed is that the connectivity issues. When I'm in the same room, the connection is working quite fine, but when I move to another room, the connectivity is fluctuating. So I think it is a bit of a problem with this device. But overall, I must say that I am very impressed with this device, and I would rate 4.6 out of 5 for the sound quality of this device and for the looks of this device. So that's it guys for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.